Tilling the soil to plant pumpkins. When finished tilling, dig a hole with a hoe. Dig the next hole with an interval of 11.8 inches. Put 50 grams of chicken manure and 50 grams of cow manure in each hole. Finally, place the tilled soil on top and you are ready to plant pumpkins. Pumpkin seedlings planted. Mowed grass around the seedlings because of the hot weather. This will help retain a little moisture around the seedlings. It's been a day since I put down the grass. The grass had shrunk in the heat, so I cut the grass again and added more. Hopefully the pumpkins will grow well. Do you have any plants you've been growing lately? Let me know in the comments. If you liked this video, please subscribe to my channel and give me a high rating. Thank you for watching.